Good morning from energetic New York City. It's been a busy week. We were in Vegas, now we're in New York, and we've been here for the last couple days. Today we have a pretty busy day. I feel like a lot of people are always like, today's gonna be a busy day. Genuinely, it's gonna be a busy day. We are going to an interview right now at ABC. I'm doing this like little feature on Localish, which is pretty cool. Got a little like message from some producers at ABC. They're like, hey, you wanna be on our TV show? I was like, sure. Sounds good. And then after that, we're gonna go to our favorite camera store here in New York City. And then after that, we're gonna meet up with a friend, Alex Broadstack. Actually, he's an amazing photographer. We're gonna go shoot this new art piece called The Vessel. So it's an exciting day. So just come along for the ride. I'm gonna be sharing some tutorials and other little tips. So it's like a vlog tutorial, sharing the day. I haven't done a vlog in a while, so I just wanna do something fun. All right, let's do it. Okay, exclusively, I think every single time that we visit New York, we have to go to this one store. That store, B&H. If you're into gear, woo, you're gonna like this. Lizzie?
Yes.
There is a contest right now.
I love contests.
You have to guess how many cameras are on this guy right here.
Okay.
Bobby, you have to guess the closest. I will give $50 to spend here. There's probably one on the glasses. There's probably one here. There's a thing here. I need to find where that is. Where? This is somewhere there. So see my hand? I'm looking. There might be something on the watch. He has a key where he could be like hiding a little camera maybe. My personal guess, 11.
My guess was 7, then she said 7, and I changed it to 8. Now she changed it to 9, so I'm gonna stick with 8. My guess is 8.
Okay, so we got 11, 9, 8. Mendy.
Let's show each of them one at a time.
Okay.
So first of all, we got the key camera.
Key camera.
We have the watch camera.
2.
We have the button camera.
Ooh, button camera.
Which is on
Ah,
the
I should have seen that. Okay, 3.
We have the pen camera.
Pen camera. Okay, I found the pen camera because I'm pretty sure that's the one there.
There's the eyeglass camera.
Eyeglass, okay, I guess that.
And that's all that we have on this guy right now. Only 5.
Only 5.
I still win! I'm very honored right now to be winning Chris's money to spend at B&H for choosing the wrong number, but the closest option. You would have won.
I would have won.
You would have won
but
if you just stuck with your guns.
I thought this was going to be like a trick one and there were going to be 2.
But the lesson to be learned.
If it was 2, you would have still won.
Yeah. Lesson to be learned, you stick with your guns.
Okay, so I wanted to share a fun story. So I was like asking them, like, what's the most expensive item that you have in the store? And they actually sold it recently. It was a Canon 1200 millimeter. It was over $100,000. They just had it on display and someone actually came in and bought it. And they not only just bought it by like paying multiple payments, they just put down their credit card, like black card, boom, bought the lens, and then they had someone shipped from another country. They came in and that person's sole responsibility was to pick up the lens and bring it back home. How baller is that? Imagine just being like, a 1200 mil lens, you know, one of 5 only made in the entire world. I want that on the credit card. Imagine. So Lizzie really wants to buy something here at B&H while we are here in New York. It's such a good feeling when you walk into a camera store and then you come out with something and you're like, that rush is awesome. Lizzie, what is it that you want to buy?
A lens, baby.
What is a lens, baby?
Just cool. Come see.
Okay, Lizzie, what are you doing?
I'm going to try it out.
Oh, I'm so excited to see what this looks like.
Cool, man.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It makes me feel like I'm drunk in a good way. I'm gonna buy it. So everyone here's like, why the heck do you want a lens, baby? It's because I just like it. Just want it. It looks cool. Leave me alone.
Okay, so Lizzie's gonna buy the lens, baby, for the Sony camera. It looks super dope, so that's gonna be good for photos and video, special effects. So we're gonna get that, which is a good segue into actually checking out the conveyor belt.
Attention B&H shoppers, come see me. The new A6 incredibly sharpened 135.
Okay, so Lizzie's gonna pick up that lens, baby. It's E-mount, so it's great for Sony. That's gonna be dope for photos. I can see that being in like a carousel for like an Instagram post. And number two, it'll be great for videos, maybe music videos, whatever it is. Lizzie's always wanted one, so we're gonna get that, which is dope. So we're gonna place an order, which means that that thing's gonna come on the conveyor belt system. And also, I think Peter McKinnon was here. Pete, I saw your video, it was super dope. Peter McKinnon was here like a year and a half ago, and he put a GoPro on one of the packages. So we're gonna take it to the next level. So I'm calling it out, Pete. That was a great idea. We're gonna throw a 360 camera on it now. So let's see what the conveyor belt system looks like. Okay, so Lizzie has placed the order for the lens, baby. And now we're gonna go to the famous green box here at B&H, throw the product inside, and then see what it looks like with a 360 camera. P.S. full credit to Peter for this idea. We're just taking it to the next level with the Ricoh Theta SC. That's the product. We're gonna have some fun to see what this looks like. Maybe I'll do like 2 uploads, like on Facebook or something like that, where there's like a 360 view that you guys can watch, and then I'll just control the view for this one. So, this will be fun.
Amazing, I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, cause they can't handle me. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing.
A friend of mine named Avi here, he's a fan of the channel, super nice. He was like, can you sign my camera? Number one, biggest honor of the entire world. All I have is a pen. Get this like little space pen thing here. Since the camera's black and this is pretty much like blue black ink, I don't know if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna sign a piece of gaff tape, so then it will be on his camera. So I'm kind of signing the camera, but mainly I'm signing some gaff tape so you can save it for later. Still, signing the camera. Dope.
Please sign my
Yeah,
camera.
heck yeah. Boom. There you go, dude.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah, of course, thank you.
Film, getting filmed.
Okay, so we're done at B&H right now. I love going there. It is so much fun. Actually, go to Lizzie's video because she has this whole thing. It's like being a kid in a candy store. You have to see this sequence. So anyways, we're gonna take an Uber to this new spot called The Vessel. And I think we're gonna drive through Times Square or something like that to get there. Anyways, super stoked. Let's check out The Vessel. Okay, so we have arrived here at the Vessel. We found it. It's like brand new. It's opening. There's actually even a launch party going on right now. Anyways, we are meeting up with my friend Alex Broadstack. He is one of my favorite photographers and most underrated photographers on Instagram. Check out the colors of his page. So good. Let's go meet Alex right now. What's up, dude?
Yo, what's up, dude? How's it going?
Things are good. What?
This is the Vessel. I've never been here, but there seems to be a fashion show going on.
What are your thoughts on the Vessel?
This thing looks like an alien invasion.
So we're gonna try to take some like architecture photos of this. Not too sure how well it's gonna work out since there's an event going on. A little pro tip, if you guys are shooting architecture for something like this, bust out a nice wide angle lens, something like a 16 mil would be cool, and then try like a really tight lens so that you can get something like 100 mil, 400 mil, so you can get some like really cool shapes. So here's a couple shots that both myself, Lizzie, and Alex shot of the Vessel here in New York City. Look at my hair. It's so ridiculous. Look. Lizzie's shooting her photo with the lens, baby. She's trying to be different. So Alex has got the 16-35. I have the 24-70, which is not the right lens for this. And Lizzie's got the cool lens baby effect, which I bet you that photo looks dope. Okay, so Lizzie was shooting all those photos and then she was like, oh, Chris, why don't you go stand in this shot? Check out this shot that she shot with the Lens Baby. Check out this shot that she shot. That's kind of fun to say. Check out this shot that she took of me with the Lens Baby. So dope. Anyways, guys, it is getting late right now. We actually can't take any good photos of the vessels, mainly because they have an event going on, so we're gonna catch some dinner. So on that note, make sure to go check out B&H. Also, go check out B&H in person at the store if you're ever in New York. Go check out Alex, go check out Lizzie, like, subscribe, all that other stuff, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.